Hello, good morning student. Welcome to our English classes. Today we will take English grammar, that is the present tense. We are coming to chapter 10, 8 and 9 we are not taking now, we will take afterwards, but we are taking the present tense. So, student, what is tense? The tense of a verb refer to the time when the action of the verb is performed. The tense of the verb refer to time present, past and future. It refer to time when the action of the verb is performed, how the verb of the is performed, whether it is in present tense, past tense or future tense. So, we will see today the present tense. Tense of the verb can be of three types: past, present and future. Each type of tense has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Again I am repeating: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense. So, now we will see Ram eats banana for lunch. Eats. Ram is eating banana for lunch. Ram has eaten banana for lunch. Ram has been eating bananas for lunch. Now, all four sentences shows a particular time, the present. The action is a habitual one, or it is still in progress, has just been completed or has been going on for a while. We have to see the sentence whether it is habitual, whether it is progressing still, whether it is just been completed or going in progress. That we have to check in the sentence first. Now, the present tense. The present tense of the verb refer to the state or an event that happens in the present time. Present means I am teaching here, that is present. I am teaching, that is present. No? So, now we have simple present tense, then perfect, how it is, then we will see how it is simple and simple present. Read this sentence now. Payal always eat rice for lunch. The verb eat suggests a habitual, that always she is eating rice, that is habitual, means it is her habit that every day she want to eat rice. So, habitual, that the subject Payal eat rice regularly, she eats regularly. This sentence is said to be in the simple present tense. How it is? It is said to be in simple and present tense. Now, use of the simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express a universal truth. Universal truth you know? You know, I think. No? The earth is round, the sun shines, that is the sun shines, the universal truth. The earth is round, yes, it is, we can't change, it is universal truth. Okay. So, for universal truth we will use simple present tense, then show a habitual action, then refer to thought, feeling or action in current moment. Feeling and thoughts for current moment, that is also simple present tense. Example, the sky appears cloudy. Now, write headlines in newspaper. Headlines of the newspaper, that Indians launches its latest satellite which with much fanfare. So, talk about a specific future action, that is the shop closed for repair on next Saturday. So, this is use of the simple present tense, how when we are using to express universal truth, show habitual, refer to thought, feeling, then headlines of the newspaper and about to talk about a specific future action. For that we are using simple present tense. Now, we will go further. Now, we will come to continuous tense, present continuous tense. She is planting lilies in her garden. She is planting means it is continuous, planting, teaching, no, ing. So, that is present continuous tense. Okay. I am teaching you English. I am teaching, just now I am teaching you English, that is present continuous tense. So, the verb is planting indicates that the action is in progress at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, the action, the thing is going on when it is spoken. So, now the present continuous tense is used for action which are taking place at the time of speaking. Now, the present continuous tense has the form be plus verb plus ing. Okay. Now, she is singing well today. The children are baking a cake. I am walking to taxi stand. See, is singing, are baking, I am walking. These are present continuous tense. Now, we will move further. Use of present continuous tense. Beside referring to an ongoing action, the present continuous tense also suggests an action that occur often. Often it occur. We use always with such. Always. We have to use always with the present continuous tense. Example, she is always losing her thing. Always she is losing her thing. Okay. So, we use what in present continuous tense? We use always. Always means for often. Action, the present continuous means an action that occur often. For that we are using always. Okay. An action that continues for a brief period of time. She is staying in Mumbai for the next 3 months. Brief period of time, long period of time for next 3 months. Next 3 months means brief period of time. Now, an action that is planned for the future. Action that is planned, we are planning something for future, that is also coming in present continuous tense. Now, my mother is leaving for Bangalore next week. Okay. So, she is planning means plan for future, that she will be leaving for Bangalore next week. Now, certain verb which shows feeling, sensation or thinking or seldom written in the present continuous form. These verbs refer to a state of being rather than an action. Since these verbs are not action, they cannot continue or stop and hence cannot be used in the present continuous form. See here, example, I know that this is the way to her house. I know that this is the way to her house. It is correct, but I am knowing that this is the way for, that is wrong. See, it is put wrong here. I am knowing, no, I know that. Okay, I know, I am knowing now. Okay, now we will move further. Present perfect. Now, present perfect tense. Look at the tense here. The train has just left the station, just left, present tense. We have finished our lesson. In this two sentence, the verb has left and have finished indicates the completion of the action, complete action in the present. Means have left and have finished. It is complete. Means present perfect tense. It is perfect. Now, the present perfect tense denote an action that has been completed at a specific time in the past, but whose effect are connected to the present. It is means its effect is there. It is a specific time in the past it is completed, but whose effect are connected to the present. Effect is there. I has finished, left. No, I have finished that. Now, verb in the present perfect tense have the form has, have plus past participle form of the verb. See here, uses of the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used for action which have been completed recently. Example, Anu has finished her lesson for the day. See, it is present perfect tense. Means Anu has completed her work, her lesson for today. Okay. We have used has and finished, ed, finished, okay, which have been completed recently but the time is not specified. It is completed but the time is not given. So, how will see the example, I have cooked a 3-course meal, I have cooked a 3-course meal, but time is not given, how much time she has taken, okay. Which has been completed in the past but have effect still present. We will see this sentence. The principal has specified the 3 students, the action was done in the past but the effect is still there. Now, present perfect simple, present perfect and simple past. Present perfect and simple past, we will see what it is. Both the simple past and the present perfect tense are used for action that happens in the past. Both are used which are action that happened in the past. Okay. However, simple past is used to express an action or the situation that happened at a particular time in the past and ended in the past, and it happened in the past and ended also in the past. That is the present perfect, on the other hand, it is used to talk about an event that has taken place in the recent past. The present perfect signifies the present effect of the past action. We will see the example. The road was damaged, the worker has repaired the road, okay. Implies that the road is no longer damaged now. Now, the present continuous and present continuous and present perfect continuous. The present continuous tense express an action that is going on the present, whereas the present perfect continuous tense talks about an action that started in the past and continues to go on at the time of speaking. Okay. Now, some exercise are there here, I will put in the PDF afterwards. See here, this you can see, she exercise, the children gather, the teacher records. Here S will come, then Holi is usually, not B will not come. India celebrates, S celebrates, okay. Geography is, then Jensen work, honesty is, the bouquet opens, then I love. So, this more exercise are there, I will put in the PDF for you. So, you can see afterwards. Okay, student, now we will continue with the next within a while, next lesson. Okay, till then, thank you.